want to introduce you to the new property that's coming on the market, 17 Prescott Road in the beautiful Diamond District. This stunning 1910 home has over 4,300 square feet of living space and has been lovingly maintained. This home incorporates the finest elements of the past with today's modern necessities. The stunning chef's kitchen has beautiful stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and a beautiful commercial 6-burner gas stove. The amazing master suite has its own working fireplace, beautiful hardwood floors, its own ensuite bath, and laundry. The bonus is a balcony with beautiful ocean views. Come and see this amazing property. They don't build them like this anymore.